Okay, how to anchor your board when you take off, yeah. Hopefully you can understand what I am drawing. So basically this is a wave. This is how it forms and then dumped. This is all the foam that going this direction. Okay. So basically when a wave starts to form, it will form a wall. So that wall has an angle, the steepness. If you have a look here, this part, see? So this is how steep it is, almost 90 degrees. Your board will basically nose dive onto the ground and maybe you snap it. This part, you will be thrown. Okay? If you are too far from the peak, this is a peak, yeah? Can see this is a peak. Then basically your angle is actually smaller. But when you are too far from it, you look at the angle, it's getting smaller as you are further from the peak. Okay? If you are at the peak, if you go directly down, so this is the steepness that you will be taking. If you are angled this way, then as you can see, the steepness is actually reduced, okay, compared to this here, this part. So maybe this is about maybe 45 degree, 50 degree, this will be 30 degree. This will be 10, 20 degree, and this one will have, well, maybe less than 5 degree. So if your board angle a bit too much on this part, basically the wave angle is not enough for you to pick up. Unless you pedal really fast, but then you're running away from the wave. Okay, so this is how you angle your board. Adjust your angle depending on how it is. So that also means that when you pedal, okay, and then trying to catch a wave, don't just pedal. You really have to look at the wave and pedal. And pedal early so that you can see and then estimate when the wave. So basically, let's say if this is happening, right? Here you gotta start pedal. If it's coming, you start to pedal and then angle your board to where you think the steepness will happen. And a lot of anticipation involved. It's not only like you just pedal, no, a lot of anticipation. So basically just practice. If it's coming this way, you gotta practice to pedal looking, or if it's coming from this way, pedal and see where the wave come from. If you think that not worth it, just give up, wait for a second wave, because or else you will just wasting your energy and just pedal and you maybe cannot catch wave because of the angle is too small, or pop dumped and go, you gotta waste your time to come back again, waste your energy, not really time, you have a lot of time when you're surfing. Okay, so pace it and then plant it properly. And after some time, your anticipations will build up, and you know when to pedal and how to angle your board for the angle of wave that you're looking for. Okay, so thank you.